Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. In this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute mini orange amigurumi. The free written pattern of this orange amigurumi is available in the description at my blog theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Do check it out. I have other fun free patterns in my blog as well. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to show you how to work this cute tiny orange amigurumi. So it's a super simple and easy project. Such a quick make. Great for keychains and other accessories. So I'm going to use 2.5mm crochet hook for this project. Two colors of acrylic yarn in orange and dark green. And I'm going to use blunt tip of this metal crochet hook to tuck in the odd ends of my yarn. And I'm gonna need a tapestry needle and scissors, some polyfil, and I will need stitch marker because we're gonna work our amigurumi in a spiral. So to identify our first stitch of each round, we'll need a stitch marker. So for round 1, I'm gonna work a magic ring, and then I'm gonna work 6 single crochets on the magic ring. And once you have worked your 6 single crochets, tighten the magic ring and start working your round 2 right away. So I have worked 6 single crochets now. I'm going to tighten the magic ring. And then I'm going to proceed working my round 2 right away. So for round 2, I'm going to work 2 single crochets on each stitch around. So as I told you earlier, we are working in a spiral here. We are not ending each round with a slip stitch on the first stitch. So once you have worked 2 single crochets on the first stitch, secure your magic ring with a knot and mark your first stitch with a stitch marker, and then go ahead, work 2 single crochets on each stitch around. So we are working an increment here. So at the end of round 2 we will have 12 stitches. Go ahead, work 2 single crochets on each stitch around. So now for round 3, it's again an increment round. We are going to work 1 single crochet in one stitch and 2 single crochet on the next stitch around. So after you work your first stitch, mark it with a stitch marker and continue working 1 single crochet in one stitch and 2 single crochet on the next stitch around. So at the end of round 3, we will have 18 stitches. So now I have worked my round 3. From round 4 to round 7, for the next 4 rounds, we are not going to increment any stitches. We are just going to work 1 single crochet on each stitch round. So now I am working my round 4. So after I have worked my first stitch, I am marking it with a stitch marker, and then I will continue to work 1 single crochet on each stitch around. So at the end of round 4, I'm still going to have 18 stitches, and we are going to repeat this until we reach round 7. So for next 4 rounds, we are not going to increment any stitches. We are just going to work 1 single crochet on each stitch around. So I have a couple of more stitch left for round 4. So we should have 18 stitches by the end of round 4. And We're going to repeat this until we reach round 7. So now I have completed until my round 7. So I'm going to work my round 8 here. For round 8 I'm going to decrement my stitches. So I'm going to work 1 single crochet in 1 stitch and single crochet 2 together in next 2 stitches round. So this is going to bring down my stitch count to 12 stitches. So continue to work 1 single crochet in 1 stitch and single crochet 2 together in next 2 stitches round. And at the end of round 8 we should have 12 stitches. Continue to work round 8. I'll meet you at the end of round 8. Once you have worked round 8, stuff your work with the polyfill and let's proceed with the last round. So here we are at the end of round 8. I'm going to work my round 9. For round 9 it's again a decrement round. We are going to work single crochet 2 together in every 2 stitches around. So this is going to bring down our stitch count again to 6 stitches. So this is the last end of our orange amigurumi. So once you have worked round 9, you can fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. You should have a small tiny opening at the top, which is okay. We can sew it with the needle. So go ahead, work single crochet 2 together in every 2 stitches around. So we're going to work the stalk for this orange. For that I'm going to use dark green yarn and then I'm going to work chain 4. And once I have worked chain 4, I'm going to work a slip stitch on the second chain from the hook and then I'm going to work slip stitch on the next 2 chains as well. So this is going to be a small stalk that's going to go on top of the orange and then I'm going to cut the yarn and secure the ends with a knot. So now for the leaf, I'm going to use the same dark green color yarn. I'm going to work 6 chains, work a slip knot and then work 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once you have worked 6 chains, I'm going to work a slip stitch on the second chain from the hook and then on the next chain I'm going to work 1 half double crochet stitch and then on the next chain I'm going to work a double crochet stitch and then on the next chain I'm going to work 1 half double crochet stitch. On the last chain I'm going to work a slip stitch. So this is going to be our tiny leaf. You can fasten off and secure the ends with a knot. Leave a small tail for sewing. So first you're going to sew your leaf to the stalk, and then you will attach this stalk and the leaf to the fruit. You sew all the parts together, and there we'll have our cute little tiny orange. Once you're done sewing, you can tuck in all the orange with the blunt tip of metal crochet hook. Here's our cute little tiny orange. You can use this for many of your crochet project. You can also add a key ring to it and make it as a keychain. So I have worked mini oranges, apples and lemons, and you can find the pattern of all of these tiny fruits in the description box. I have a link of my written pattern which takes you to my blog, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. You can find the written pattern there. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.